Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Dear my students, grade 8, we are going to go on and complete our unit number 10 for the second term, Discoveries and Inventions. Here we have inventors who changed the world. Let's go on and study our lesson. Before we start here, I have a question. Do you think that we need more inventions or not? Now, as you know, we have millions of inventions. Okay? We use them daily. Do you think that we need more inventions or you think we don't need more? Try to think of this question. Let's study the new vocabulary together. The first word that we have is electrical. Electrical. Mention some electrical inventions. Electrical, something which uses electricity. Electrical. Relating to electricity. So when we have anything or something that uses electricity, so it is what here? Electrical. The next word that we have, humidity. Humidity. The weather in August is too hot with high humidity. So many thanks to the inventor who invented air conditioning. Humidity. When I want to define the word humidity, the quality of being humid. Next one, found, and the past, founded. An American inventor founded the first company that sells air conditioning systems. Founded. When I say the word found, it's a verb. It means to bring something into existence. Found. The same like establish. Found. The next word that we have, department. Department. Harrods is the most famous department store in the world, which is led by 12,000 light bulbs, and 300 bulbs have to be changed every day. Department. Department means a part of an organization such as a school, business, or government. The next word, influential. Influential. There are many important and highly influential inventions such as mobile phones and social media. When I want to speak about the word influential, it means it is having a lot of influence on someone or something. Influential. Okay? So it has an effect. It has an effect. Okay? On someone or something. Next word, chairman. Chairman. Like the example says what here? The chairman of Panasonic is one of the founders of the company. The word chairman here, a person in charge of a meeting or organization, he is called what? Chairman. The next one here, profitable. Profitable. Over the years, the company has developed into a highly profitable business. Profitable. Profitable comes from the word profit. When I say profitable, resulting in or likely to result in a profit or an advantage. Profitable. It gives us profit. Let's revise the new vocabulary together. Electrical, electrical, humidity, humidity, found, found, influential, influential, department, department, chairman, chairman, profitable, profitable. Let's move to page 81 in your book. Here we have a reading text, informational one, informational text. We are going to speak about some inventors who changed the world. Page 81. When I want to speak about informational text, it means a non-fiction writing written with the intention of informing the reader about a specific topic. This is called what? Informational text. Comes from the word information. Here, before we read, I'd like you to make a list of famous inventors you know. Then compare your list with other groups. Here, you are going to search for or surf the internet to find some famous inventors you know or you would like to know about and compare your list with other students. Take your time and then come back again. Now here, let's do this one here. We have some inventors here and try to compare with your classmates. Like here, we have some inventors and their inventions. We have the submarine, calculator, piano, thermometer, roller skates, hot air balloon, railway locomotive, stethoscope. So these are some inventions. They have been invented by some people. Compare your list with this one. The same like this. The inventor is going to be written on the left. Like here we have Steve Jobs. He has invented iPad, iPod, iPhone, and so on. Let's move here. In this exercise, I'd like you to choose the correct answer from A, B, C, and D. Here you have 3 questions. I'd like you to read the text fast and answer these 3 questions. The first question, I'd like you to find the writer's purpose of the text. So the writer's purpose is to compare the 3 inventors, explain how genius can strike anywhere, give information about great inventors, describe how people become inventors. The second question, the underlined pronoun it in the first paragraph. If you go to the first paragraph, you are going to find the pronoun it. It's underlined. It refers to what? Genius, day, idea, air conditioner. The third question, the underlined word profitable in the last paragraph means what? Powerful, advanced, helpful, beneficial. Take your time and answer this one. Pause the video and then come back to check your answers with me. Now let's read the answers together. The writer's purpose is to what here from your reading? That's right. So the writer's purpose here is to give information about great inventors. He compares between 3 great inventors. He gives us some information about them. The second question, the underlined pronoun it in the first paragraph refers to what? Okay, in the second line, let's read together. He used this idea to invent the first electrical air conditioner. It was not created for people. So it here refers to what? That's right, air conditioner. Third one, the underlined word profitable in the last paragraph means what here? Profitable means powerful, advanced, helpful, beneficial, excellent. It means what? Beneficial. Now let's move to page 82. I'd like you to read the text again. And here you have 3 questions, but this time try to read carefully and answer these 3 questions. Why did Willis Carrier invent the first air conditioner? The second one, what did Sadiq Qasim receive the title of Arab inventor for? Third one, how did Steve Jobs contribute to the development of Apple? Take your time and answer these questions. Pause the video until you answer them. Now let's read the answers together. Why did Willis Carrier invent the first air conditioner? Excellent. He invented it to control the humidity at his painting company because the water was ruining paper. Second question. What did Sadiq Qasim receive the title of Arab inventor for? For what? That's right. He received the title of Arab inventor for his invention alchemist. A machine that scientists use to work with chemicals. The third one, you know this man. How did Steve Jobs contribute to the development of Apple? That's right. He played a key role in the creation of the Apple II, or the second one, MacBook, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. We have a question here. I'd like you to think of an answer for this question. How did inventions change our way of life? Here we have some inventions that we use daily. I'd like you to think, how did these inventions change our way of life? And try to write some of them in the comments below. Now, let's read together. Time to read. We are going to read about the first inventor, Willis Carrier, the father of air conditioning. Genius can strike anywhere. On a foggy day in 1902, Willis Carrier had an idea that led to the first air conditioner. He used this idea to invent the first electrical air conditioner. It was not created for people. He wanted to control the humidity at his printing company because the water was ruining paper. In 1915, he founded Carrier Corporation, a company that sells heating and air conditioning systems. In 1998, he was named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people of the 20th century. The second inventor, Sadiq Ahmed Qasim, the inventor of alchemist. Sadiq Qasim is a Kuwaiti inventor. He was born on December 6, 1984. Sadiq was given the Best Invention Award and the title of Arab Inventor in 2010 by the Stars of Science TV show. He won the award for his invention Alchemist, a machine that scientists use to work with chemicals. He has also won many other awards. He is the head of the Invention Development Department at Sabah Al-Ahmed Center for Development and Innovation. He has created over 20 inventions. The third one, Steve Jobs, the man who thought different. Steve Jobs was an American businessman, designer, and an inventor. He was born on February 24th, 1955. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, and co-founder of Apple Incorporation. He played a key role in the creation of the Apple II or Apple II, MacBook, iPod, iPhone, and iPad. When Jobs died at the age of 50 in 2011, he was worth $10.2 billion, and Apple was one of the largest, most profitable, and most influential technological companies on the planet. Here, we are going to practice speaking and writing together. If you could invent one thing that would make your life easier, what would you create? I'd like you to think in groups of an invention that does not exist. We do not have this invention. Try to write the name of this invention, describe it, and make notes of its uses and benefits. Then select a member to present your invention to the class. In your notebook, plan and design a presentation describing your invention by answering the following questions. The first one, what does the invention look like? Describe its shape, size, color, etc. What does it do? What are the uses of this invention? Why is it important? What are the benefits of this invention? And you can draw a picture of your invention. This is again what we have said. Here we have some ideas. You have to do this exercise in groups. At the end, try to design a presentation about your invention and you can draw it. These are the questions that you are going to answer while describing your invention. Take your time to do it. At the end of our lesson here, I'd like you to search the internet or other sources to find out how these things were invented. You can surf the internet or you can go to your school library to find about how potato chips, fireworks, watches, and tea were invented. Thank you and see you inshallah in the next videos.